A 57-year-old former priest was found guilty of 3 counts of sexual assault today in McLennan County.
Anthony Odiong faced 3 counts across 2 charges involving 2 separate women. 6 News reporter Sydney Walker was in the courtroom today. Sydney, what did the jury find?
A jury of 4 men and 8 women found that beyond a reasonable doubt, former Catholic priest Anthony Odiong had committed sexual assault against a Jane Doe and a Mary Doe. Now the former priest is facing life in prison. Today, the defense began their arguments by calling a witness in the trial of the former Waco pastor without providing an opening statement. The first witness was a woman who was present at a party at Mary Doe's house. She testified she heard her calling out for Odiong after guests had left that night. The same night, Mary Doe's children allegedly walked into a sexual encounter between her and Odiong. On redirect, the state argued there was a whole side to Odiong she did not know about until now. After proceedings were stalled when one of their witnesses failed to show up, the jury was dismissed for an extended lunch break while the court issued a writ of attachment, an attempt to get the second witness to testify. When returning, the defense instead rested their case, having only one witness to testify in the trial. In closing arguments, the state focused on state law, saying that sexual assault is without consent if the defendant is a clergyman. They said, quote, "Faith is his weapon, trust is his weapon, vulnerability is his weapon," and the jury had the power to say what the women in the trial couldn't. No more. The defense argued that the state did not provide exploitation in sexual assault beyond reasonable doubt, and that the women had the autonomy to say no, and instead they were in a dating relationship. Well, the state ended by arguing that one day he'll have to answer to God for what he's done, but today he will answer to the 12 of you. And the jury agreed. Now this will continue on Monday whenever we enter the sentencing phase, the punishment phase of this trial. Odiong will appear in court again at 9 a.m. on Monday. We have a full breakdown of everything I heard today on KCENTV.com. Live in Waco, Sydney Walker, 6 News.